How to create and post your event on a Facebook page. So first of all, launch Facebook application. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left. Now beside your name, tap on the drop-down button. From here, choose the name of your Facebook page. So now once you switch to your page, tap on your profile picture icon. Now once you come to your main profile, you can see the option of More. Tap on it. From here, go ahead and tap on the option of Events. Now from here, go ahead and tap on Create an Event option. Now, write the name of your event first. Now on top, you can also add a GIF, add a picture from your gallery, or upload any files if you wish to for your event post. Now, you can also enter start date and time accordingly. You can tap on it and then choose the date and time according to your preferences. Once you choose the date, just tap on Set. Similarly, you can edit the time as well. Then tap on Set and then tap on Done. You can also add end time, repeat event, or choose the general time option. Now over here, you can also state if it is a person or a virtual event. Now after this, if it's in person, just choose a location of your event. You can also go to the category of virtual and you can select a medium for your event. If it's Facebook Live, you can add external link, or if it's other. So for now, let's go to in person and then enter our location. Now after this, enter other details of your event. Now at the bottom, you can see other various options. You can also market your event. You can add co-hosts. You can also edit other communication settings, or you can also add tickets to your event. Once you set all these details, just tap on Create Event. Now, once the event has been created, just go ahead and tap on the option of Share. Now, in order to post it to your Facebook page, you can write something about that event and then go ahead and directly tap on the option of Share Now. Now, in order to check whether that event has been posted, let's go back again. Now, after this, simply reload your Facebook page. Then, if you scroll down below, you can see your event posted on your Facebook page. From here, if you scroll up above and go to the category of More, then go to Events. From here, you can edit or change any details regarding your event from here. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.